students, as you know that you have already get so much information that your syllabus has been deducted, and you have idea that your clause, voice, and some little portion of precaution has been deducted from the syllabus. Now today I am going to apply about the letters. In the previous classes, I have already applied about the formal letters. Now today I am going to apply about the informal letters. Informal letters. As you know that informal letter, what happens? So much restrictions are there, but in informal letter, it is not such type of restrictions in that many things. So first of all, that before going to that informal letter, what happened? You have to write about the business purpose. But in the informal letters, these are basically written among your relatives, friends, and your elders. So it has some limitations. But one thing is that in formal letter, what happens? You write your subject in a very concise manner. But in here, what you that you have to write in a brief manner, or you can express your feelings in your emotion in a very brief manner. So here it is not so much restrictions. Now I am going to apply that what are the format of the informal letters. First of all, address. Second is that date. Third, you have to write salutation or greetings. Thereafter, you have to write the body. Thereafter, you write the conclusion. Lastly, you end with a complimentary indeed. Complimentary indeed. So, first of all, I am going to apply about the address. That means you have to write the address at the top of the page and the left side. You have to first of all write your address. In address, what you write, your name and your street name, your house number. That means complete address should be there. In just after writing your address, just below the address, you have to write the date. In generally, what happens in date, you have to mention the month in words. Like suppose it is 20th July 2020. Right this way, you have to mention. The month is always mentioned in the words. Thereafter, salutation. Whomever you are going to write your letter, that means you have to give greetings for that, like my dear friends, and dear mom. And if you are very close to your friends or anybody who is just your age group, you can write their first name. Suppose if your friend is Ankit is there, so you may write Ankit. So like this way, you can, salutation is given there. Thereafter, body. This is the main part of the letter. You know that body. So whatever the expression or feelings you have to describe, you can describe in this particular portion. But in body, what happens when you are going to express your feelings? In body, you have to write 3 stages. You have to express your feelings. First of all, first part of the body is that you have to introduce yourself. That means if you are going to write anything, so before that you have to take care of his health or your blessing, your well feelings. So in the beginning, you have to start that. Suppose if any pleasant incident has happened, I am very glad to hear, or I will be very glad to know that I got first class in that very thing. So it depends on the situation. Suppose if you have got any shock news, that you have to use shock of that particular news. So in the regarding the situation, you have to change or you have to choose the things like that way. And then thereafter what happens in the main part, the second part, that you have to write the main gist, whatever the feelings you want to write or whatever the things you are going to apply for that, you write in the main part of the body. And thereafter, in the last you have to conclude. Suppose if you are going to write any type of your portion, you have to conclude the things, that means the main things which you want to express or which you want to show your feelings, and the last you conclude according to that. And after concluding, you have to complementary ending. So in every letter, when you are going to conclude all the things, in the last you have to ending with your complimentary, like lovingly yours, your best wishes, your regards, like this way you have to end the things. But one thing always remember, that if you are going to write yours sincerely, yours affectionately, in here apostrophe s is not given. So you have to be serious that, and be alert that in that very function apostrophe s is not used. And the last you have to write your name and whatever the signature you want to put there, you can write like this way. So you have seen that the differences that between informal letters and informal letters. Now I am going to apply, give some lesson how to write the things, or I am giving some topic to write the letters about it. Thank you.